produced, composed, and
ginawa as its artistic way. Medyo mahirap na gawin, pero ako naiyak. Gusto ko lang magpakita ng bago at sa mga nagsasabing hindi ako marunong sa ganitong klaseng role. Ito na yun. So, I want to prove all of them wrong and that I can do more than what they know.
This is the first time I'm doing a role na within the first week, wala na ako. But yun nga, pag-uusapan yung character ko until the end. And there's ang daming flashbacks. And ang daming revelations. It was such an interesting role to do. The backstory na malalaman nyo later on sa kwento.
Oh my God, I'm so happy kasi napakaganda ng role ko dito.
I know naman maganda relationship with Sir Deo before, di ba?
Yes,
Kayo yung,
true.
he would always put you
That's right.
in a perfect role
Oo.
And I'm happy that
Dahil ako always open to learning, yun palagi kong iniisip. Kailangan meron ka matutunan dito, meron ka ma-take home sa mga kasama mo. Iniisip ko palagi, pati mga style nila pag-deliver, pag-aaralan ko yun. Tinitignan ko sila, maganda yung ginagawa niya.
Mula sa cast hanggang sa kwento, papanoorin ko talaga to, premiering this November 7 on Prime Video. Once again, download the app and you will witness...